In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border to your images in Canva. Canva is a versatile design tool that makes crafting stunning graphics easy and intuitive. Whether for social media, presentations, or just a personal project, a border can really add that extra polished touch to any image. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to start by opening your project in Canva. Once you've got your design loaded onto your screen, locate the image to which you'd like to add a border. Ensuring you've selected the correct image is crucial, as this is where our focus will remain throughout the process. Once you've clicked on your image, you'll notice a menu popping up on the screen offering several options for editing. Next up, you'll want to click on the Edit button. This option is prominently located in the menu and opens up another array of tools designed to enhance your image exactly the way you want. Remember, Canva is all about giving you the flexibility to customize various aspects of your design, and this step is no exception. Moving forward, you will now locate the Shadows option. Don't let the name confuse you. In Canva's context, shadows are not just about casting a shadow. By clicking on Shadows, you access a subset of tools, including the one we need, Outline. You'll see several options, but for our purposes, select Outline. Clicking this option will initiate the Outline feature, automatically surrounding your image with a border. Now comes one of the most exciting parts: choosing the color of your border. In the outline options, you'll spot a small color icon which lets you customize the border color. Click on this color icon. If you have a specific color in mind that complements your design, now's the time to make that selection. With your color icon open, you'll find a palette from which you can choose any color that fits your aesthetic. Simply click on the hue you desire, and the border around your image will instantly transform to match your choice. This step harnesses Canva's strength, allowing users to tailor their designs to personal needs and creativity. And there you have it, a beautiful customized border surrounding your image. This simple addition can make a significant impact and add a professional touch to your creation. If you're not entirely satisfied with the first choice, feel free to repeat the process, making adjustments to both the color and size until your artwork looks just right. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope these instructions helped you understand how to add a border using Canva. It's a straightforward process, but it opens the door to countless design possibilities. Until next time, happy designing.